has been called a place of rediscovery, the home of El Arco, the southernmost tip of Baja California, where the Sea of Cortez meets the Pacific Ocean. This is a tale of two cities, rich in history, yet brimming with vitality. The two Cabos, San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas, embrace miles of sandy beaches and some of the world's most celebrated resorts. It is a land that offers the best of both, the warmth of the desert winds and the cooling mist of the sea. This is Los Cabos, and if you listen, you will hear its call.